African wildlife conservation is essential for preserving the continent's incredible biodiversity. Think about the majestic elephants, the powerful lions, the rare rhinos, and the gentle gorillas. These iconic species are under threat from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Conservation efforts are vital. They focus on protecting natural habitats and enforcing strict anti-poaching laws. Sustainable tourism is also key, as it can provide benefits to local communities while fostering a love for wildlife. National parks and wildlife reserves are being established, thanks to the collaboration between organizations and governments. Local communities are stepping up, adopting eco-friendly practices that support conservation. Education and awareness programs are crucial in reducing human-wildlife conflicts. By supporting these initiatives, we can help ensure that Africa's unique wildlife not only survives but thrives for generations to come.